Hi there, students. Gravitas, a noun, an uncountable noun. Okay, this means dignity, seriousness, solemnity. So I get the feeling that our glorious leader, Bojo, doesn't have the gravitas to be an international world leader. I sometimes get the feeling he doesn't even have the gravitas to be Prime Minister. So, gravitas, the seriousness, the dignity, the solemnity in the way he does things, yeah? So an article can have a lot of gravitas. It's taken very seriously. Yeah, if you read an article in the Sun newspaper, then it lacks gravitas, whereas something written by the Times or the Guardian has a lot more gravitas. Okay, so if you say someone has gravitas, you're saying you think that they are serious, that they're intelligent, and that you respect them because of that. So I don't think this candidate for the job has sufficient gravitas to do the job properly. Yeah, he doesn't seem authoritative enough. He's too jokey. He's not serious enough about it. Yeah. Okay, he doesn't give enough importance to it. Yeah. So you need to have gravitas in your demeanour, a solemn, serious way of doing things or of approaching things. Yeah. You have your bearing. You have a lot of dignity. And then we use this also figuratively to mean something that has substance or weight. So his gravitas helps to persuade people that what he is saying is something of substance. It's not something that is just hot air and nothing else. Okay, so dignity, the mien, the bearing, the presence, yeah, to act in a dignified way, to have a dignified manner. Yes, this magazine needs to have a certain air of gravitas in order to get people to take it seriously. Yeah, an article written with gravitas will be more compelling. People will believe it much more easily. So, for example, if you write your thesis for a PhD, the way it's written needs to have a certain gravitas. The language needs to sound formal, solemn. Yeah, it needs to be treated in a serious and dignified way. Yeah, and that then will lend weight to your argument. People will take it more seriously. Yeah, although many people maybe try to disguise something that had of very little consequence with lots of gravitas. Yeah, but it's normally pretty easy to see through these sorts of things. Yeah, okay, so yeah, seriousness about what you're doing, about the way you comport yourself. So formality, gravitas, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe a 7 in formality. It sounds pretty literary. I think informally I would say seriousness. I guess you could use gravitas in a semi-formal conversation or semi-formal writing or above. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from gravitas, meaning weight or heaviness, and clearly gravity, grave. Yeah, these words are directly linked to it. So normally I try to put quite a lot of gravitas into the videos, but sometimes a bit jokey, I suppose. Okay, so gravitas, if you say somebody or something has gravitas, you're saying something good about it. You think this is quite positive. Yeah, it's full of dignity, sobriety. Yeah, it's got good taste, good behavior. Yeah, so a leader certainly needs to have gravitas. Yeah, I don't know, a religious leader needs to have gravitas. Yeah, yeah, the yeah, a a play, when it's an arts play, needs to have gravitas. I think very often Hollywood just lacks gravitas. It's all too much wham bam and action and things like that. Yeah, so maybe I think it lacks gravitas. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gravitas.